Hey everyone, welcome back to Techno Tutor TV. One of the best features of YouTube TV is its unlimited cloud DVR. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to record your favorite shows, movies, and sports, and how to easily access and watch your recordings. Let's get started. There are a couple of ways to record content on YouTube TV. The most common way is through the Live guide. First, navigate to the Live tab. Here, you'll see the TV schedule. Scroll through the channels and find the show or movie you want to record. Once you've found it, click on the program. You'll usually see a program description and a few options. Look for the plus sign icon, which is the Add to Library button. Clicking the plus icon will add the show to your library. If it's a series, YouTube TV will typically record all future episodes. You might see an option to record just the current episode or the entire series. Choose the option that suits you best. You can also record programs that are airing in the future. Simply find them in the guide and click the plus icon. Another way to record is through the search function. If you know what you want to record, go to the Search tab and type in the name of the show, movie, or team. When the results appear, click on the item and then click the plus icon to add it to your library for recording. For sports, you can often add entire teams or leagues to your library. This way, YouTube TV will automatically record live games featuring that team or within that league. Once you've recorded some content, it's easy to find and watch it. Navigate to the Library tab. Here, you'll see your recordings organized into different categories, such as shows, movies, and sports. Under Shows, you'll find all the TV series you've recorded, grouped by title. Click on a show to see all the recorded episodes. Under Movies, you'll find any movies you've recorded. Under Sports, you'll find recorded games and sports-related programs. Simply click on the recording you want to watch, and it will start playing. You'll have standard playback controls like pause, rewind, and fast forward. While YouTube TV offers unlimited DVR space, it's good to know how to manage your recordings. Recordings are typically kept for up to 9 months. To delete a recording, go to your library, find the show or movie you want to remove, and click on it. You should see an option to Remove from Library. Confirm that you want to delete it. Deleting a show will remove all recorded episodes of that series. If you only want to delete a specific episode, you'll usually find a way to do that within the episode list for the show. Key things to remember: unlimited DVR. Record as much as you want. 9-month storage. Recordings are kept for up to 9 months. Easy access. Find your recordings in the Library tab. Series recording. Record entire seasons of your favorite shows. Team recording. Never miss a game by recording your favorite sports teams. That's how you record and watch your favorite content on YouTube TV. We hope this tutorial from Techno Tutor TV has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tricks.